After setting up your Atok Talk ID, you can now transfer Atok tokens and NFTs to friends or even strangers directly through the chat feature. This tutorial demonstrates transferring Atok token and NFT through the chat feature. Inside the chat screen, click the plus button on the top right corner. A new menu will appear showing two options: Add Friend and Create Group. Select Add Friend. Tap the button to start scanning the QR code from your friend. You can choose to import a QR image or scan directly with it. And if you want to add a friend via ID, enter their Talk ID. Once the information entered is correct, the account details of your friend will be displayed on the screen. Transferring Atok tokens. To send tokens, click Transfer Atok. The standard transfer page will open, but this time the wallet address is automatically filled in for you. Simply enter the amount you wish to send and confirm the transfer. A notification about withdrawal will appear, and then click OK. Finally, click Transfer to finish your transaction. Transferring NFTs. To transfer an NFT, select the other option. The NFT page will appear with the wallet address already completed. Choose the NFT level, fill in the amount, click Transfer, then click Confirm. With the transfer through chat feature, sending Atok tokens and NFTs becomes easier, faster, and more secure. This ensures a smooth transfer process without the risk of entering the wrong wallet address. Join the Atok community now and be part of the future of decentralized advertising.